Welcome to the Blueprint Solutions video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to navigate the patient browser and how to create a new patient. The patient browser allows you to quick find a patient by typing in the first few letters of a patient's last name, or by locations in the drop-down menu. You can also search for a specific patient using the advanced search method. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see the patient's name, date of birth, age, phone number, preferred provider, address, and the balance on the patient's account. If the balance is green, that means they have a $0 balance or a credit on their account. If the balance is red, that means the patient has an outstanding balance. If there are any insurers on file, they will appear in green, and the referral source will appear in yellow. To add a note to the patient's file, go to the Patient drop-down menu and select Edit Note. The note will allow you to enter any free text you may need. Click Save. The note will now appear on the patient browser. You have the ability to flag patients and they will appear in red. If there is a calendar icon next to the patient, this means they have an upcoming appointment. If you highlight the patient, click on the Patient drop-down menu, choose Find Appointments. This will bring you to the appointments the patient has scheduled. You can then click on an appointment and it will bring you to the schedule. To create a new patient, click on the Create New button at the bottom of the screen. Start by filling in the title, gender, first name, last name, and date of birth. Choose a family physician from the drop-down list. If the physician is not in the drop-down list, you can add a physician by clicking on the Add button and filling in the physician information. Let's go back and pick a physician from the list. If the patient is being assigned a specific provider, you can select the provider from this list. Fill in the remaining information. Fields marked with an asterisk are required fields. Once the address information is complete, choose the clinic location where you will be seeing the patient. Add an email address if you have it. Almost all fields we fill in can be used for future marketing purposes. You also have the ability to email patients right out of Blueprint. The telephone number is used for the main contact number, not just the home phone number. The blue background will disappear when all required fields are completed and the Create Patient button will become highlighted. Click Create Patient. This will prompt you for the referral source. From the two drop-downs, specify the referrer type and source. Click Continue. Basic demographic information for this patient has now been created. At this point, you have the ability to add an alternate contact. You can set the alternate contact to be the primary contact if needed. Or once the information is filled, you can use the alternate contact for billing. Other information pertaining to this specific patient is organized in the tabs at the top of the screen. It will now ask you if you want to export the patient to NOAA if you decided to integrate your Blueprint and your NOAA computer. This is an optional service which we will cover in a later tutorial. We hope you found this Blueprint OMS tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please give us a call.